everybody, it's Tiffy here and we are back with an all new video. Today we're going to be heading over to Costco to see all of their clearance items. It is January and a lot of stores are ready to just get some winter stuff cleared out, so I know we're going to find some great deals. So if you're ready, let's go. The first item we see is this 4-piece silicone reusable bag set. It includes 4 pieces, 2 bags, and 2 bowls. So here is one of the bags, and this looks like it is one of the bowls, so that's nice. It does stand up. So it has a snack size, a sandwich size, a 2-cup bowl, and a 4-cup bowl. These are microwave ready, dishwasher safe, freezer friendly, and oven safe. Seeing these thermal tumblers for $19.99. This is a limited edition set. These are pretty nice. They are 2 18 ounces pack. I am seeing this 24-ounce 2-pack stainless steel water bottles marked down to $12.97. I can't remember what these were originally, but these are really great price. These end up being about $6.50 each, and they definitely have some colors. I see a black one, some greens, and some white, and like a peachy color. These are really nice. They have like this hook where you can hook it onto your belt or just hold it. And they are double wall, vacuum insulated, and stainless steel. These reduced water hydrations, these are 80 ounces each. Y'all, this is a lot of water. So you want to aim to maybe drink one of these every day. These are now marked down to $14.99, and they are a limited edition. So if you didn't know, anything that has this little asterisk star looking thing, that means that is limited edition, and once they probably sell everything, that is going to be it. So you get 2 80 ounces for $14.99. Now I have seen this on sale previously, but the Anchor Hockling drinkware, you get a 16-piece set for $16.97, and they are really nice. And looks like they are starting to run a little bit low. And I did see just a few of these wine stem glasses. They're an 8-piece for $19.97. So they just have a couple of these left. So check your Costco to see if they have any more of those. Something new that I am seeing is this tabletop Denmark bowls. Y'all, this is a set of 4 for only $9.99. That is a great deal. And these things are huge. If you like to have burrito bowls or a big salad, that's a perfect size. And you get 4 of them. It's like $2.50 each. What a great deal. I might have to buy me some. I really like that. Look, you can do pasta bowls. It's a set of 4. They're all-purpose bowls. Here you can enjoy your ramen, your rice bowls, your cereal, homemade pasta, lots of options. Oh, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get me a set of these. I'm seeing this 2-piece serving tray set marked down to $19.97. Now I do think, so these end up being about $10 each. These are handcrafted. You could use them in your bathroom or even as a serving tray. I'm thinking for $10 each, that's not a bad price, but hopefully that price will come down a little bit more. The 8-piece knife block set is marked down to $69.97. Now you are going to get 8 pieces with this. You're going to get the honing steel, the bread knife, the Santoku knife, I'm probably saying that wrong, the serrated knife, and a paring knife. You get some cutting scissors, and that looks really nice and heavy. It is a patented design with super steel. And it also comes with this nice storing block that you can just leave out on your counter. Only seeing one of these 45-piece flatware set, and it is marked down to $54.97. So again, this is only one. You are getting 45 pieces of flatware. Check your Costco if you're in the market for some flatware. You might be able to find some. Also seeing a classic 4-piece knife starter set. Now I did show this in a previous video. I don't think this has come down anymore, so it is staying holding at a $169.97. So maybe just wait out a little bit longer for some knife sets if you are in the market. These Wi-Fi smart bulb 4-pack are $19.97, and I'm only seeing a handful of them right now. But what you can do is you download this app, and then you can change the color of whatever you like. You can also dim it. You can put it on schedules as well. So like if you're going out of town and you want your lights to come on at a certain time, you can do that. Makes you look like you're home. So that's pretty neat. But yeah, they only have a handful of these at our Costco right here. Again, you get 4 bulbs for $19.97. They also have the LED chandelier bulbs. You get a 6-pack and they're only $4.97. And this is what they look like. They're 3.3 watts and they have a 15,000 hour life hours. They have this pumpkin spice quick bread mix. It looks like you get 4 packs and they've actually marked it down to $6.97. So that's a pretty good price. And it looks like you can maybe even make some cookies with it, and it has real pecans included. Y'all, the vanilla organic beans at Costco here is $16.99, and this is a limited edition. What you can do is make your own homemade vanilla. I actually did a video on that, and I'll leave that in the description box down below. So, and I use these exact beans. I found this really nice gift set. This is a hot sauce collection, and it looks like you get 3 ounces, and it comes in this nice little case. Oh, it even has a recipe book inside, and it's $9.97. Y'all, that's really good. That's like under $1 for each. Looks like there's some jalapeno hot sauce, extra hot, a bourbon hot sauce, Japanese, mango, habanero, lime sauce, and even a Wild West buffalo sauce. Wait, what's that? Green chili hot sauce from India. Wow. So it kind of looks like it's from all over the world. Oh, and even it says like very hot, medium, so you kind of know what the spice level is.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here. And with that, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!